In this Python program, I create a variable called x, and I assign it the value 5. The program scooches on down to here, encounters a function definition, nothing to execute here, and ignores it. I'm defining a function called a. I create a variable within it called z, and assign it the value 2. I then print out z. It'll print out a 2. When I print out x, and this function knows about this variable. This variable here was declared outside of this function. This variable is global. So let me put the word global. Whoa. Try that again. I can't type today. There we go. This is a global variable. Z is a local variable. A knows about Z. A also knows about global variables, in this case, x. The function definition ends, program code begins. Over here. Here I say, call the function A, execute it. So it does. A executes, Z is initialized, created and initialized, printed out, that's a 2, then it prints out a 5. It returns back to the line following the point of departure and says print out Z. But Z is a local variable known only to this function. You're now outside that function. The program does not know about this guy. Ergo, here, you will get an error. Let's see if indeed that's what happens. File, save, run. Run the module. And that's what happens. It printed out the 2 and the 5, and then it said print Z. Who's Z? The name Z is not defined. Huh. What do you know? Let's go over that again. X equals 5 was a global variable. Then we defined the function called A. We declared a local variable and printed it out. We also printed out the global variable x. The A function knows about x. Here, we have trouble. We're trying to print out Z outside of the function where Z is known. Z is local to the A function, and only the A function knows about Z. So, you'll get an error when things like this occur. And that's all I have to say for now. This is George Boole saying bye-bye.